Hello all, very good evening. This is Karthik from Cloud Technologies. Thank you all for joining session today. I welcome you all to Snowflake DBT and ADF batch number 16. Before starting the session, I just want to give the introduction for the people who joined today newly. I hope like remaining people about all the things, and I just want to give you some details about our training institute and how we will function for this batch. Everything I'll just give a glimpse in the next 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'll hand over session to our Sai Sri Garu. From there, she'll take over. Okay, yeah. Let me start with our YouTube channel. So yes, this is our official YouTube channel, Raj Informatica Real-Time Hands-on Job-Based Training. If you can see here, we have 36,200 plus subscribers already, and we have uploaded 510 videos here. Okay, if you just go to the video section, there are many videos related to SAP, Azure, Informatica, Power BI, Azure Data Engineering, Azure Databricks, Snowflake, Power BI, cybersecurity, okay, and many other cloud tools as well. Okay, you can find out many useful videos here, many useful content, using many different cloud technologies as well, and we have interview questions preparations as well, and many technical contents are also be uploaded here. So just have a look into our YouTube channel once. Okay, if you feel interesting, if you feel any of the videos are useful to you, just give a like, comment on it, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. If you want to get this useful content, whenever we upload any new content, if you want to get that content to you, you can just subscribe to the channel so that you'll get the complete updates as a notification. Okay, yes. And we have an Instagram page too, that is Raj Informatica. Okay, and we have a 3,100 plus followers here, and we will be posting about the job postings here. Okay, wherever there is any job openings are available, any job referrals are available, any walk-ins are available. Okay, at that particular time we will be posting here in our Instagram stories as well. So keep following our Instagram page as well, so that you'll be getting updates about the job postings and everything. You can see here there are many testimonials uploaded, success stories uploaded. Okay, so reviews uploaded, and job openings updated, many things are updated here. Okay, so just follow our Instagram page and get the complete updates. I have shared both YouTube channel link and Instagram page link over Zoom chat. Using that link, you can just follow us, and you can get the complete updates from our end. Okay, yes. Now let me show you our website. Let me show you our website. So we have a website called razinformatica.com. This is our website. And if you just scroll down, this is the home page. Just scroll down a bit. You can see the software trainings that we are offering here. Okay. So we are offering generative AI, Informatica data quality and cloud data quality, AWS data engineering, Azure data engineering, Snowflake in the combination of DBT and ADF, Informatica Power Center, Informatica Cloud ISS IDMC, Artificial Intelligence plus Machine Learning using Python, and Cybersecurity and Ethical Hacking, Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst Program, AWS and DevOps, SAP S4 HANA and FICO training, GCP, Python for full stack, Python for data science, Python for AI and chat GPT, and Salesforce. These are few of our other trainings that we are offering right now in our institute. Just above this section, if there is any free live sessions are available, you can get that free live sessions links here in this particular section, upcoming free live session section. Okay, you can see today's session also here, Snowflake DBT and ADF, 6th November 2025 at 8 p.m. Okay, and we have another one as well, that is tomorrow, generative AI, 7th November at 8:30 p.m. IST. Okay, in the same way, we'll be scheduling all the things actually. So keep following our website, so that you'll get any updates. If there is any new course starting, if there is any new sessions are there, if there is any free live sessions are available, you can get the complete data here from our website. Okay, so apart from these things, we have many other useful content are also there in our website. Okay, that is interview questions, materials, internship programs. Okay, all these things are also available. If someone want to go through with the Snowflake interview questions also, if you can just go here, you can see here this is Snowflake interview questions are also available. Okay, you can just go here and you can check it out. And I just want to take you another 1 to 2 minutes and to show you how to access the recordings and material as well, as many people are already enrolled here and they wanted to know how to access the material and recordings as well, right? So I'll just take another 1 minute and explain you on this. You can see here right side top corner, sign up with Google. Just click on that. You'll get this page. Never use any email ID or password here. Okay. Always use sign in with Google. Always use sign in with Google. Just click on this. Okay, just give me a second. Yeah, once you click on sign up with Google, click on sign in with Google again here. It will ask you to choose an account if you have already logged in with your mail ID. If not, you need to log in with your mail ID like which you have given at the time of registration. Just click on that. Just click on that. It will take you to the enroll courses page. As I am the admin, I have all the course access here, but you will be able to see only this course. Snowflake DBT and ADF and Oracle SQL as well. These two courses you will be able to see. Okay. Just click on the course. Just click on the course. Okay. And you can click on start learning. Click on start learning. Okay. In the left side, you can see the drop downs like 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30 like this. Kavita, please don't animate my screen. Okay, you can see like left side like session 1 to 10. Just click on that. You can see the first 10 classes recordings. Okay, you can see the first 10 classes recordings here. If you just click on this, you will be able to see the introduction class. If you just click on the second session, you will be able to see roles and users. The same way, you can access all the first 10 classes videos. First 10 classes videos are uploaded to you already. And whenever we start, see today we have the first session. This first session will be replaced here tomorrow. Okay, and tomorrow we have second session will be replaced here. Okay, in the same way all these 10 classes also will replace with latest videos as well. Got it? Yes, this is how like you can access the videos here. Below the video itself you can see the download button. Below the video itself you can see the download button. If you just click on this, it will take you to the materials page. Whatever the session 1 material is available, that session 1 material folder link will be there here, so that you can access the material from here. Okay, you can see the materials here. Okay, yes, this works for all the classes as well. Just click on any one session randomly and you can check the video and the material as well. Both the things you can check. This is how like you can access the recordings and materials as well. Got it? Yes. Now I just like want to take a moment and we will add you to the WhatsApp group as well. So hope we have already added to the WhatsApp group, but still the people who have joined today, just drop your name and WhatsApp number. Just drop your name and WhatsApp number over Zoom chat, so that like we will share you the today's session recording as well, and we are also going to share today's session recording material, and we will be adding you to the Snowflake DBT and ADF real-time project WhatsApp group will be there. In this WhatsApp group you can discuss about the courses, you can discuss about the latest information and any changes in the Snowflake account or any job openings about the Snowflake. Everything you can discuss in this group. To get this group link, just drop your name and WhatsApp number. We'll take a sharp 1 minute break. We'll take a sharp 1 minute break. Okay, and we'll start the technical content. Yeah, so if you are from a different country, please post your WhatsApp number along with the country code, so that like we can share the link to you. Okay, take a minute of time and post all your names and WhatsApp numbers here over group chat, so that like we can add it to the WhatsApp group as well, and you can also get today's session recording and material too.
Hello.
Yeah, still the chat is open for everyone. Still the chat is open for everyone. If you haven't shared your name and WhatsApp number, please keep sharing your name and WhatsApp number over chat so that like you can expect the today's session recording and material as well. Okay. Yeah. There is some special offer available. So the people who haven't enrolled yet, so there is some special offer available for you. Just stay connected till end of the session so that like you can get to know about this special offer and you can plan for your enrollment today and you can get some benefits as well. Okay. Yeah. Just stay connected till end of the session so that like you'll come to know about the special offer as well. Yeah. Thank you all. Sai Sri, over to you, please.
Hi everyone, good evening. Let me go with the class directly. Today, let us start with the how to create the Snowflake account. Okay, it's completely free trial account only. Okay, so you can get the free trial for 30 days free. Yeah, okay, you'll get this account for 30 days free. Okay, 30 days completely free. How this free account will be there means we have 30 days free plus 400 worth of users they're providing to us. Okay, for example, if you $400 worth, for example, within week if you use consumed a lot of compute resources, storage resources means if that 400 worth of usage is completed within 30 days also account will be expired. Suppose you didn't use much after till 30 days it will be available, 30 days after it will expire. So if days are completed also it will expire, if the worth of usage, I mean $400 usage completed also, it will be expire. Again, this using same email ID, you can create one more account. So one email ID is enough to create multiple Snowflake accounts. You no need to change every time email ID. I'm using from past so many years onwards, I'm using same email ID and I created multiple accounts also. Okay, you can create unlimited accounts with one email ID. Okay, so if I go with this concept, so first name you have to do. Okay, have to give first name and you have to give email id. You have to give email id properly because we will get the activation link to your mail id only. Without that link we cannot log in into Snowflake. The activation is compulsory, so please give your email id properly. Okay. Okay. And previously, I mean, 120 days trial account also we have, but one batch it's supported. After that, I didn't see 120 days trial account. 30 days is running from long time, but 120 days sometimes it's enabled, sometimes it's disabled. So that is the reason I'm not talking about 120 days free trial account only. Sometimes it is visible. That link is visible. Sometimes they are not adding that link. So that is not completely, it's not permanent. That kind of cases are happening. That is the reason I am referring 30 days trial account only. If you found 120 days link, you can log in. But there is no guarantee. Suppose after 120 days again you want to go with one more account, there is no guarantee again you'll get 120 days. You may need to go with 30 days also. Okay. So that's not a problem. Every account is same only. 120 or 30 is not a matter. Everything is same. Okay. So we have to sign up this account, right? Why you are sign up means I am giving other keyword. So click on continue. Here just giving them information only. From here we have to think much. You can give any company name your wish. You because we no need to provide our official company mail address. Nothing required, right? You can go with any mail, any kind of company. I mean any company name you can give. So job title, okay. From till here, this is the normal information only, but here the changes will be there. Okay, you have to understand here particularly. The entire class you have to understand here. And not only today, guys, in when I am explaining you Snowflake architecture, there also I will give some more information also. But today I will try to give complete information how Snowflake account is going to be created. Okay, this is the main part. In any company, in demo time also explain you, we have additions concept only. We have completely additions concept. We don't have a version 1, version 2, version 3. That concept is not there. Completely we're working with the addition based. So standard addition is there, which is very basic addition. Okay, it's a completely basic addition. Okay, basic addition means we are missing some advanced concepts there. That's the reason 99.9%, 100% I can say no, but no real-time projects will go with standard edition because advanced features are we are not getting advanced features. So standard plus, if you observe here, standard plus the additional features are added in enterprise edition. Why it is most popular means enterprise edition. Enterprise edition only will suitable for huge large scale industries. Okay, if you have large scale industries, you want to go with this edition. I mean, you want to go with Snowflake, then people choose enterprise edition because it is supporting the advanced features also. Okay, addition to edition, cost differences will be there. So standard is not useful for the projects because some features are missing, right? That all like time travel concept, multi-clustering warehouse, MetLife views. This all I will discuss in our upcoming classes. Generally, these all features are missing in standard edition. That is the reason enterprise is the preferable for large scale industries. Okay. This I see here my problem is my company is not related to large scale. It is mainly sensitive data. In that situation, enterprise edition related all features are added in business critical also, but extra security. So that doesn't mean standard edition and enterprise edition don't have security. Both editions have security. Extra security they are providing in business critical edition. Because of that, mainly because of that, charges also will increase. So addition to addition, whatever the increase, whatever the features are increasing, according to that, charges also will be increased. Okay. So enterprise edition, business critical edition. Your project is mainly financial related, then better to go with business critical. If it is not enterprise, actually, guys, frankly speaking, we won't involve in this account creation only because client will take the end-to-end decision. We are not right persons, or we are not the person supposed to take the decisions on the account creation. Completely client only will involve. 90 or 100% client involvement will be there. Client decision is the final decision. Developers won't come into this picture. Even leads also won't come. Architect people, if they have allowed, architect will come into the picture and client will come into the picture. They will decide which edition is best for their project based on their data. Okay, but which companies why they will choose means if it is critical data, business critical is best. If it is normal data, enterprise concept is best. Okay, depends on that. Clear? Here any doubt you can ask. I will give unmute access. Ask me only on this question, on this topic. Don't deviate to the topic. Already you have unmute access, you can. Here, as per my free trial account, I am not doing any sensitive data for my training purpose. I'm going with normal data. So enterprise I am choosing because why need to waste credits unnecessarily giving the business critical. So that's the reason I'm using enterprise edition to get all the benefits of the Snowflake. Yeah. Any questions on this top of this choosing the edition? Sai Sri, if something updated tomorrow, 1 year after, 6 months after, some feature is added, then I want to do anything as a developer or admin, anyone means nobody want to touch anything. Automatically, if something added, automatically it will reflect to our editions. Okay, we no need to do extra work, updates like that. We no need to do. Okay. Vivek, yes, futures are same to same. You can see already they mentioned Enterprise Plus. Means both are same features. Additional security is the added on it. That's it. Not more than that. End-to-end features are same. Okay? Yeah. Any other questions, guys?
Hi, Sai.
Hi.
Actually, we have
1 minute.
chosen.
I will
Okay.
1 minute. Vivek,
Okay.
you are saying after creating the enterprise, suppose you went with the enterprise edition. I want to add into the, I want to change it to business critical. Generally, we won't do that. Once we choose the edition, that is the fixed. If we want to do that much changes, means I think as per my understanding, we have to create another account and we have to move the data into another account. switching one to another is not possible. It's not easy also. It is completely cost based. Okay. Okay, thank you. Yeah, you please. Sorry, you can go with your question. I interrupted
Yeah,
you.
yeah, same question which I planned to ask,
Oh,
like which I explained, no, same.
ha,
Yeah,
ha, ha. Actually, I didn't see that kind of practices only in real time. Once we addition is fixed, means fixed. Maximum. That's a cost based, right? Switching one to another always. Wasting the money, client's money only. Client won't agree first. Client decision, right? Nobody are responsible for that. Okay. All are good. Can I move forward? Okay, fine. So I'm taking enterprise. I don't want to waste my money. Now here, choose your cloud provider. So I see what is this cloud provider? You are showing three. If I host here, if I choose one cloud provider, I want to learn that particular cloud provider. Like there's so many doubts you will have. First of all, listen. We are not going to learn any cloud provider completely. We are not cloud provider developers. We are not Azure developer. We are not AWS developer. We are not GCP developer. We are Snowflake developer. That's it. Then why? What is the background of these cloud providers? Why this is coming into the picture? Means something I have to explain you here differently. Generally, if you see any supermarket, it may be a Reliance Mart or Ratndeep, anything you can take. If they try to keep their company, I mean, what company not their Reliance Mart, one the shop in one particular location, maybe somewhere in Guntur or whichever. For example, I'm saying in Guntur, okay, for example, if they're going to there and they want to establish their, they want to expand they want to expand their business in that particular location. Okay, they will purchase one shop. Maximum they won't purchase. First of all, they'll take rented only. This many areas lease, right? After that, they want to keep their warehouses goods. Means every product they won't place into the shop, right? They will store somewhere nearby location as a warehouse. We will say they will store generally. Means they are occupying the space for storage for this particular rented as a rented persons, not permanently. They won't purchase the place. They won't purchase the place. Just they will retake the rent. Maximum rental agreements only they will follow. So here they're keeping their products, and whenever they want, they can come out from that place. Generally, I'm saying. So like that, Snowflake also required rented resources. For what purpose? Means storing the data. Snowflake, what they design means, in place of again I am creating the storage layer in cloud, again I am making the computer layer in the cloud. This already available in all the three cloud providers. Again, why need to make the same work? In place of that, let us take the rent, because client don't know. I mean, we cannot ask a client, can you go only with AWS? Can you go only with Azure or GCP? Like that, we cannot push them. They will have their own option. So my Snowflake technology should be like a flexible. To make it flexible, they made very smart decision. Literally, as a business person, they thought their thought process is really good. Why good means, if they stick with AWS, they will lose the customers of Azure and GCP expectation. If they stick with Azure, AWS, GCP expectation. If they stick with the three, completely they will get the loss, right? So they are not sticking permanently with any cloud provider. Not permanently. They are saying between customer and between cloud providers, we will be there, middle. Okay. I will give a chance whenever account setup is happening. We will give a chance to the cloud provider you want as per your business, which location you want, location and cloud provider. If customer, as a customer, if I am choosing, from there onwards, Snowflake, the entire what responsibility will be taken by the Snowflake only. We cannot involve. For example, if I choose the AWS with Singapore location, you think I know I can log in into AWS. Actually, I cannot log in. One time I can choose it. That's it. After later on, if I want to touch AWS, I want to create my own AWS account. I don't know how they are doing the backend process. Completely, it is a like a closed option. We don't know how what is happening, but our data will be loaded into AWS services only. Our warehouse also will come from warehouse from AWS only. One time choice they are giving. Completely maintenance is done by the Snowflake team. Okay, that is the reason it will be flexible. Sai Sri, why it should be flexible means some companies will be see every location won't be comfort for all the clients. Locations wise also they want to think, right. If I change this, they more options we are providing to the customer mainly. That helps to reduce the cost also. So that benefit is there. Already they are into AWS means loading the data from AWS to Snowflake. Generally, that combination also they will check. So all the combinations they are giving perfect option for the client without any compromise. So Snowflake is taking rental resources from these cloud providers and providing the space and compute resources to execute the queries. This is the thing happening at the back end, guys. I don't know if new people will not understand. Let me know. I will explain you again. In AWS, we have Redshift means yes, Redshift is only flexible to where AWS only. But if I host on AWS and I can connect with Azure into the Snowflake, why if AWS is really flexible, why they will come to Snowflake? All combinations it won't. Even Azure we have Synapse, GCP we have BigQuery. I'll agree. All this we have, but clients are not satisfied. No flexibility, performances, architecture, design. Lot of differences are there. Because of that, only Redshift to Snowflake migrations also available in the market. You can check that migrations are there because their comfort zone, flexibility, cost management, performance, architecture design, like this lot of background setup they are taking as a they are considering. Okay, not just the technology. Yeah, yeah. Obviously, Vivek, you are right. Design is if I go with the Redshift or any other warehouses, the design is complex and is not flexible. Bundled method they are doing, but Snowflake, they are not doing very separate process, right? Because of that, also performance and architecture design is different comparing to other warehouses. If I talk, cost will be different. Design of the architecture, flexibility, connecting. Suppose I hosted on AWS also, Snowflake I hosted on AWS also. I can load the data from Azure to AWS, Snowflake. It won't stop. I see this is Snowflake is hosted on AWS. Should not be touch the Azure combination. No, not like that. If I hosted on AWS also, any combination I can touch here. Getting my point? Like this, not one or two. Benefits are more mainly comparing to drawbacks. Rakesh, again you are saying Databricks, Azure Databricks you are saying, okay, Alexi. Synapse you are saying, you are all, I mean, generally if you understand this part, Azure, you are talking about only one cloud provider setup. But Snowflake is saying you can host on one cloud provider and connect with the different cloud providers, right? So is it easy to achieve same thing in Azure Databricks also? My question. Okay, that is also keep aside. Databricks platform is completely Python-based platform. Observe if you want, you can search in a Google also. Databricks mainly preferable for Python scripts like PySpark, machine learning, AI. For that, Databricks is a perfect location, perfect platform to use. But Snowflake is completely SQL. Okay, business is depends on what their clients are expecting. Based on the Databricks is not suitable for all. Okay, fine. See, guys, this combination of connection. I mean, this combination of what will say decision also Snowflake client only will take. It's not our part. We don't have any authority to touch because they are the payment. They are paying for the services. They only will take care. They only will host everything. So they will take what location is suitable for business. That location they will go and they will do it. Okay, so I cannot say every project will go with AWS, every project it will go with Azure. I cannot give guarantee project to project which location, which cloud provider already they are using, which is flexible for their business. all this combination they will check and they will fix the locations. Okay, so in that location only your Snowflake database data, I mean your Snowflake data is going to be stored, and your compute resources also going to be used. Okay, so this location says where you are going to host your data, or where you are going to save your data, load your data, plus compute resources usage. That is the dependency. Okay, any specific questions on this particular part? Mainly on this particular part.
Hi,
Okay.
Sai. These are Microsoft Azure, AWS, and GCP, what you are showing in the screen. These are all
Mm.
act like a data warehouse. On top of it, Snowflake is act as a loading
Database,
interface.
no, no,
Okay,
database and data warehouse. A Snowflake also required a backend Snow database space, I mean, data storage. I mean, database means that means to store the data, it wants storage space, right? That plus
correct.
to run the execute the queries, it needs servers also. This both will be provided by AWS from Singapore location as per my option.
Okay, it will that region will select to defaultly like based on the backend.
Project, project to project options will be changed.
Okay.
Every project they won't go to Singapore.
Does Snowflake does a Snowflake don't have any storage like a standalone storage, individual
Oh,
storage?
yeah, not required, right? Smartly it is using. If it use its own storage, it cannot switch to this many options, right?
Correct. Okay. Understood.
It's benefit. Actually, it's working smartly. In place of creating, it is tying up with the cloud providers and it is bringing the cheapest cost resources to us.
Okay. Yes.
Cost also is not won't be. So Snowflake cost is a bit less compared to other technology.
Okay. When it comes to AWS, it will store in the Redshift. When it comes to GCP, it will store in the BigQuery, and in the
No,
Azure,
no,
it
no,
will
no, no, no.
like
Sorry,
that.
don't. No, 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 no. AWS means the storage layer is S3. Microsoft Azure means the storage layer is block. GCP means GCP storage. Redshift is all cloud data warehouses that are
Okay.
data warehouse. No, we are not touching any services. We will touch only S3 buckets. Actually, that also you don't know. Frankly
Okay.
speaking, you don't know that you are touching the warehouses, because see, if you this is another account, existing batch account, so you don't know even how it is adding the data, where it is adding the data. Like that, you cannot see any information deep level. It won't allow. Completely responsibility will be taken by Snowflake only. Even if you see my URL, are you understanding where I hosted my account through this URL?
No.
No. Okay, if I go with any SQL query also, general, this is one table. Are you able to, by seeing the entire screen, are you able to find where this account is hosted?
No,
No,
we can't see.
we can't say, right? If I go to database, okay, this is just data. If I go to database, for example, deep level, okay, this is database. In this schema, we will have, inside schema again, we will have tables, okay, like this internally. Now, this is the table, one table. This much only you will have access. Apart from this, Aisha will go a little bit deep level means you don't have any option. You can see the data. I won't say you cannot see the data. You can see the data. That's it. But can you show me deep level of S3 bucket means I cannot show you. Not only me, nobody can show you.
Okay. In backend, it
Okay.
will utilize based on our
Completely
choice.
snow. Yeah, completely Snowflake only taking care. Nobody have option to touch that. Even you
Oh,
go to any place, any option you can try, no way to touch that.
okay.
So that's the reason I'm saying Snow. It is almost remaining micro partition. Generally, my data, Snowflake data will store in the micro partition generally. That micro partitions also we cannot see here. Completely closed by Snowflake. If you query, data will come. If you load, data will load. If you delete, data will be removed. Everything will happen. But how the happening at the backend process, it won't be exposed to us.
Okay.
Who if you hosted on AWS, You don't know completely AWS, at least S3 bucket creation also you don't know, also no problem. You have zero knowledge in AWS, no problem. Because we are giving choice to the Snowflake. Can you keep my data here? That's it. Later on, Snowflake only will maintain. You have to learn Snowflake concept, not AWS concept. Without learning AWS concept also, you can work in Snowflake.
Okay.
Okay. Any other specific question? Can I move forward from here? So I want to say agree. Here I want to say agree and get started. That's it. I created so many accounts, right? So I will get this issue. I mean, catchy. I can clear this. It is asking about bridges now. Bridge. That's it. It's all very survey kind of thing. Yeah. So I will get the link, activation link here. That is the reason I mentioned clearly. You have to take care about your account creation mail ID. Like this you will get. If you click on this, very easy. Account creation is very easy. In real time, you won't do this work only. 200% you won't touch this work only because you are not right person, only client. So here you can use same username, same password I am using from years. So no problem. You can also use same username and password multiple times. Okay. Same mail ID, same username, same password. No problem, guys. Finally you'll have accounts like this in real time. Actually, how you'll what will happen is, you when you join in the company, they will add you as a user and they will attach the roles to you. I will explain you roles and users concept is the next class, our next class only. But generally, as a user, physical person will be added. For that person to give the access, they will add the roles. For roles, privileges will be attached. So there's a big story, I'll explain you later on. Now it's not right time to work. So here I can see my okay. One question I got from one person. Already Databricks is there, right? Why need to use data? I mean, even see, Snowflake also have SQL and Python. Databricks also have SQL and Python. Then we can go directly with the Databricks, right? Why Snowflake? If really Databricks is the flexible for all the businesses, then why client will come with the Snowflake requirements? They can completely hire the Databricks people only, right? See, here we are kids in front of our clients. Literally, I'm saying you have how much experience also. The way their thought process, their business knowledge, their way of requirement understanding, and our process will be different. Actually, we will we will learn any technology for our career purpose to get a hike, I mean good salary, and to have good flexible jobs. Okay, we are looking only for our purpose only, but client is looking for his entire business for many years, not like long last time that he is looking. For a few years, every 2 years I can shift my technology generally. That is easy for IT person. But shifting option we have with nothing will loss for us. Still we are looking on one technology to before learning, or before taking the training or before shifting. We are thinking a lot means how much client have to think. Just I'm generally saying, client how many times, how many ways, how many directions he will think to take Snowflake as the option for them. Okay, some things if we connect with the client, you will understand more than us actually. Still, I'll give some answers for that. You can go with the Databricks wisely to Snowflake means I'll agree. The Snowflake have SQL, Databricks have SQL. Snowflake have Python, Databricks also have Python. But Snowflake is not completely Python related platform. Actually, Databricks is created on top of the Python platform. It will support SQL, but Databricks platform is created by Python basis, not SQL basis. But Snowflake is completely created by SQL base. Both platform direction is different. Okay, and many options are there for Databricks level to work with the machine learning and AI. That is to work with the unstructured data, to work with the semi-structured data, to work with the models, creating the models, machine learning related models, all this. For that, Databricks is the right option to choose generally. Okay, and streaming data like this, so many are there. That process Databricks is the best to choose. Okay, so if you are choosing machine learning work, data science work more, then better to go with the Databricks. But if you are choosing, if you are focusing on structured data and your business is related to BI team, I mean Tableau or Power BI reports like that, then better to go with the Snowflake. This is the way how they are choosing. Okay, if I am investing some money on one technology means it should be flexible on all direction. Already Snowflake is flexible to my project, then why I need to invest on Databricks? Cost differences will be there, right? Obviously, you are saying Azure Databricks. Azure AWS, you're not saying, right? Means it's not flexible or inside of Azure cloud providers, your Databricks is coming into the picture. But my case is not that like that. Snowflake is not belongs to any technology. It is hosting. That's it. Attached to any technology. So that like that, so many things we can discuss if I go deep level. Sorry, any question? If if no questions, please be on the mute. Huh? Yeah. Thank you. So, like this, if I discuss here, my decision is not important as per client money and decision is only important. But why? Because Snowflake is flexible to going with all the cloud providers. Because but Azure Databricks, you are saying, not Databricks, Azure Databricks means Databricks is coming from Azure cloud provider, one of the service in Azure. But Snowflake is not service for any technology. Like this, so many differences are there. Synapse, you are saying. Synapse also combination of Azure on, right? Without Azure, can you use Synapse? No. Without Redshift, without AWS, can you use the Redshift? Means no. And Python, Snowflake is supporting the Python. Genuinely, I'm saying Python completely not supported by Snowflake. Still, it's under progress only. For machine learning people, you can see here A and ML people. They are trying to include, I mean, the A and ML people also can work here only. No need to touch any other platform. The planning in that direction. It's not for us. We will become like a data engineer only. Data science will be another department. How in Databricks, how data engineer plus data science people will work together with one group. Same like that, we will also work as a team. But as a Snowflake developer, AI and ML work is not my responsibility. That is a big ocean, guys. Everyone can do AI and ML means then I think data science is not that much easy. No, everyone cannot do. It's a big subject ocean. Okay. Rakesh, I hope your question already you're saying Python is Snowflake for ML and workloads. We are not using any Python. We are not belongs to A and ML people only. The data science platform is different. Our platform is we are data engineers, not data science. So we won't touch that part. Yeah, Rakesh, I'll agree. Databricks is created on Apache Spark from nothing but Python platform only, right? Mainly. I won't agree. Snowflake, see, a client don't want any A and ML data science work, then no need to go with the Databricks. Cost based, we wasting the cost only. Snowflake is enough. Some projects Snowflake is best, some projects only Databricks is best. Not for all the projects, Databricks is not the right platform. Very easy. Working with Snowflake is very easy. Why need to go with the complex things, technologies? Gauri, you no need to touch anything before coming to this course. Just connect with our admin team and take the SQL classes only. That's enough. You no need to do extra work from your side. Yeah, Rakesh, you talked about Redshift and Snowflake architecture. You are right. Naveen, same answer. You no need to touch any subject to start the Snowflake. If you don't know SQL, just ask our admin team to give the SQL classes. That's enough. So many questions are there. 1 minute, guys. Okay, let me go with one of the questions. Any important question if I'm missing, please let me know. I'm trying to go with all the questions. Rakesh, Databricks, I don't know why you are interested. Azure developers only shifting to Snowflake nowadays. Okay, ADF is also good technology. Okay, ADF is it's a kind of ELT tool only. ETL tool, sorry. It is also ETL tool only. Those people also shifting to Snowflake. Okay, because the technology is good, but flexibility, project, all this will come into the picture, right? Technology, if Databricks is good, why Snowflake is coming into the market? Why we are seeing this many hirings in the market? If really Databricks is good. Our knowledge is very little bit comparing to client knowledge. They can choose Databricks only, right? My point is I mean, uh, see, you mainly project the budget also important for clients. Project how much it is important, budget also important. Okay, in that basis, Snowflake is comfort zone to the clients. That is one option because we are going completely pay per use concept, right? We are pay how if today if I don't use compute layer completely 1 month, I don't want to pay any money for the Snowflake. Just storage layer related money. If I pay, that's enough. Like that, a lot, so many options I can say. Architecture different, payment different, comfort, compatibility will be there. Okay, connecting to multiple sources we have and easy to connect with any kind of target team, easy to develop the scripts, and completely data. Snowflake is completely, it's a data warehouse, and the output will be shared with the reporting team. This combination of projects we will have in the market. It can share with the data science also. That's their project choice. But generally, the design is mainly for hit design in the market is once the data analytics is completed, designing and transformation is completed in Snowflake, we will move to the BI team only maximum. Who is not understanding anything, please raise your hands because already having knowledge, they will speak high level on the subject. Who don't have any knowledge, they may not understand so many points. So don't be backward. Come forward and ask me the doubts. Okay. I cannot cover each and every one by your name, right? So please come out by yourself. Okay. Rakesh, are you satisfied or still questions? Vivek, easy to learn. Snowflake is very easy to learn. It's not complex subject only. DBT also easy to learn, not complex. Limited topics are there. If you are good with the topics, maximum will get the offers, no doubt in that. But I can do my level best of not only Vivek, anyone. How much you are training, how much you are practicing, how you are doing hard work, I don't know, right? Back and your hard work also pays. One person is there, Adi Reddy, I think so his name. He should write review also. Adi or Adi Reddy, some name I didn't remember properly. Old batches person only. He didn't attend one live classes also. My I don't know his name also. I never seen the class actually. Frankly speaking, I don't know that person because I didn't see live sessions. He never joined, so I don't know his name also. Suddenly he called me after completing the training. Within week or 2 weeks maximum, that much, that is the time, and within 10 days only he called me and he said, "Saishri, I got the offer." I don't know, literally, I don't know his name also. I don't know who is he. I clearly asked, who are you, when you joined, when, which batch, like that. Recently completed batch, Sai. I'm regularly following your recordings. I'm practicing on regular basis. I got with after completing your practice, immediately applied for the offer. Within 10 days, less than 10 days only, he got offer. See, literally, that's a unexpected thing. He didn't because I don't know he didn't touch connect with me anytime, but he done background a lot of hard work by based on my recordings. Generally, I'm saying. So if you are not attending live classes, also that person is able to handle the interviews. Means every day you are joining, asking many questions, clearing your doubts, and you should keep the same time for practice. Then you will get no problem. Okay. SQL also you have to practice SQL for a SQL. Generally, not only Vivek, everyone I'm saying SQL. If you are very new, also no problem. 2 months is there almost. Now November and December month. Let us take 2 months, November and December. Almost we are at the starting stage of November. 6 days only completed. From tomorrow onwards, if you start working, I'm not asking to sit half an hour, 1 hour, not like that. At least 10 to 15 questions you are able to practice every day. Okay, reading the question, understanding which concepts you have to apply on the SQL to resolve that question. Like that, if you keep practicing, after 2 months, you'll be pro in SQL. That's a learning. After suppose once you completed your interview and you stopped your practicing after 1 year, again the subject will be new. So when you practice, the topics will be easy for you as well. Just totally practice. Suppose you know Hindi and suddenly stopped not talking in Hindi for 1 year, how will you forget the language? Same like that SQL also. So it's completely SQL credit is yours only if you practice on regular basis. HP, I don't know your name, HP is there. Parallel, you can learn SQL. Parallel, you can join in the Snowflake classes. Because of your SQL knowledge, your classes won't be affected. You don't need to worry. Don't compare with. Why I'm asking to learn SQL means not for my course content, because my course content is completely Snowflake tech topics only. Whenever you are going with interview, that for that clearing the interview, they will ask SQL questions. There you have to come able to answer the able to write the queries. For that, you have to focus on SQL. Okay. Without SQL completely, you can understand my classes. But they will ask you SQL a minimum 30%. Then how you'll write the queries without knowledge? That drawback I'm trying to resolve. Okay. Very tough to see the charts. Gauri, this is just account creation. Okay, I didn't explain anything actually. Just account creation, I explained that's it. What are the steps I took? Just take my recording, create the account, and be ready. That's it. Next class onwards, I will show you. I will explain you one by one. Minimum, Gauri, I think you are not background of IT or something. You may face minimum 1 week tough to understand everything to settle down the platform. After 1 week, you will get the flexibility. Okay. Without IT background, also so many members I trained, but within day I cannot give guarantee you will be pro. 1 week you have to do journey. Slowly you have to practice. Every day you can ask the questions once you have got the doubts. Slowly like that, if you resolve, after a week you will feel comfort zone. Second week you will be completely okay with the Snowflake. Immediately you want to do means not only my technology, go with any technology you cannot learn. They at least 1 week you have to spend properly with me. Got it? You need patience. I am ready to explain. After 1 month, you ask me doubt in the first classes also, I'll explain you. But how patience you are learning is also important for me. Okay? If you rush, I want to understand right now means no, it's a journey. I took long years to coming into Snowflake, right? Also, I took a lot of time. Years is completed in Snowflake. It's a journey. You have to wait at least few 1 week or 1.5 week classes. Parallelly, if you don't understand, so first keep your hands on the keyboard, and try to practice in Snowflake. Slowly, you will get into the things. If you do hard work right now, it will be good for you. But if you skip every time, every technology, if you feel tough, you cannot settle down in the IT jobs. Somewhere you have to stop yourself and you have to settle down. Okay, don't be hurry.
This
Go.
is Premna speaking.
Prem.
If I complete this training, how many years I can put experience in Snowflake?
How many
I
years you
have
have experience?
I have around 17 years in IT, and
Okay.
I was working in the SAP Business Object Reporting.
Okay. SAP. Okay.
So yeah, so I know SQL.
Okay.
I worked as a SQL developer also in the past, but I can brush up those concepts.
Okay.
Um, I can learn this technology, but for how many years? For how many years it is in the market?
Okay. As per your profile, we have to talk differently because already you mentioned 17 years of experience. Okay.
Yes.
10
Yes.
years means we can move forward, straight forward. 10 years person already got the job. Ninth batch, 11th
Mm,
batch, I think so. Some batch,
mm,
10th or 11th, something. So he got the job. He have overall 10 years experience. For him, I kept 3.5 years and I pushed into the market. He got the job with less time only.
mm,
Sai Sri,
mm,
I'll keep 9 years, 8 years, for example. If you say like that also, First of all, before lockdown, we don't have Snowflake jobs only. Rare cases. Who will agree that you have this much experience? Means relevant experience, nobody will agree. Okay, apart from Snowflake, DBT is there, right? 2023, I remember 2022, market started talking about DBT. Okay, 23, one or two, few companies, very little companies. 24 hiring happened a lot in DBT. General, I'm saying. Suddenly you say I have 5 years in DBT, who will believe? First of all.
That's what I'm asking. How
That's the
many years it is
reason.
in the market,
You are
so that I
relevant.
can
Yeah, you are relevant. We will keep less only. Maximum 3 to 3.5. Size to 17 years experience. You are keeping this much less means. See, your experience is high. I will agree. But you came from many technologies, right? After that, you are expecting the career change. There is not a wrong thing from anyone. Everyone expect the career changes. Career change means recently you okay with this. When the new technology came, when Snowflake came into the market, immediately you made your career change. That's not right option. Nobody will say, oh, it's not apt to say yes, you are right. Getting my point? So my suggestions, so many other for your profile, I have to give different suggestions also, but others will get confusion. Whenever you are preparing resume, just connect with me. I have to do something little bit different for you. I have to do.
Okay.
So
Okay.
3.5, 4. I won't go. I won't ask any person to go more than 4 years. I won't ask, and I won't agree also with that. Enough. 3.5 is enough for this much experience.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Thank you. Okay, one person asked me one big question. 1 minute. What is different between Snowflake developer, Snowflake data engineer, Snowflake admin, etc.? Please can explain all the jobs. Snowflake is there means all are Snowflake jobs only. First of all, Snowflake admin only different job, which is admin related means they will create the databases, they will check the cost based related topics. I mean cost management, account management, roles management, like the different works. I won't suggest any student from India to go with Snowflake admin. Why SaiSri you are not good? Why you are not allowing students to go with admin part means Snowflake admin, my observations, I observed many things in my project. If you observe who is working as admin in your project means maximum client person only. Our client will be there, right? That client related company, that company will hire Snowflake admin. They won't allow others to go at the admin part. Then if we are working as, if we are learning admin, who will hire us first of all? Opportunities will come to us. Salary will come to us. This all will come into the picture. In place of learning and wasting our time in admin, I will ask everyone to go with a developer. Literally, if you have luck, if you get simple projects, you will maximum 4 hours is more than enough to work in the Snowflake. After 1 or 2 years, you will work very less time also. Depends on your project workload. That much flexibility is there in developer. Simple case, I'm giving training morning and evening, right? As a lady, is it possible having IT job and giving morning evening trainings and handling the householding works also? You can understand my flexible job flexibility. Frankly speaking, this is the answer for myself. That is the reason you want salary, more opportunities, more flexibility in your life means I will always suggest you go with a developer. This names is there, right? Snowflake data engineer, Snowflake cloud engineer, cloud data engineer, developer. This all Snowflake developer job only. End of the day, you'll work with the Snowflake account as a developer. That's it. Titles are different. Yeah, my title is module lead engineer. Where is cloud? At least cloud keyword also they didn't add. But I joined for ADF plus Snowflake plus DBT. When I'm joining in that company, based on that profile only they hired me. But they gave me the title module lead engineer. General I'm saying. So titles and jobs are different internally. Internally means inside of company. When they're hiring also, title won't says like I mean developer means different work, data engineer means different work like that they won't give. All comes under development work only. Okay. One more question I got. I have 8 years. 8 years means no need to go 3.5. 3 plus is enough, Venkat. Vivek, sorry. 3 is enough. 8 is not required only. Relevant. See, I don't know how many of you have this awareness. SaiSri, if I keep less relevant experience, my salary will affect. That is not matters. The hiring, how it will happen means 8 years, client will look at 8 years. Okay, he is 8 years experienced person. Based on that, your package will be decided, not your relevant experience. I don't know how many of you know about this. How much you keep relevant, that is not matters. Overall, it matters to client. Client or our hiring companies, everyone. Overall, they will check. That's the reason you'll get offers. Okay. Mm. If I missed anybody's question, please ask. Let me know. Lot of charts are there. I don't know if I missed anyone. Please ask me. So this is meanwhile, just let us go through this. This is our Snowflake account, guys. Every day we will work without opening this account. I won't explain you one class also. Okay, that is my promise. Don't expect theoretical part, blah blah, and closing the class. Not like that. Everything execution will happen. Whatever I explained you, same you have to copy paste in interviews. That's enough. Automatically, maybe 4 or 5 interviews you may struggle to get the flow. Sixth interview you'll get into the flow. Taisha, that mean interview is first interview only I want to success. See, this is IT market. Okay. In 2024 or 23 or at least 22, 21, 22 till 24, if you say this word at 23, 21 to 23, if you ask me with one interview, I got the offers. That days are there for me. With one interview, with a simple 2 rounds, okay, easily they hired me because that time developers are less. Snowflake developers are less. No options are there. Okay, don't expect that one round, one interview you should clear. That is not your target. Perfection, quality, increasing the quality. One interview is happening means that interview should help to increase your quality for next interview. The second interview should help you to get the third interview. Why is this much quality is important means I don't know how many of you know this point. Once interview is completed, we get the offer. That is not the closing option. I mean, we are settled down with our company. No, internally once you join, the client also will ask you one interview. One client round will happen. Nowadays, every company is taking client round. So if you are perfect with your subject, client round, how many rounds is there also internally? No problem. So that is the reason I won't encourage the proxies also. Proxy is just getting offer we will support. After that, client rounds who will support? See that all lot of background will happen. I don't know, some people know, some people don't know. Learning by yourself and exploration, you have to fell down, you have to get up with your experience. That gives more opportunities to you. That is the way how you have to. So you don't look at today's opportunity, today's offer. Any day company is saying, can you go out from company means next day you have to sit in front of laptop for giving interview. No preparation required. Preparation should not be required to you. Immediately you have to apply for the offers, apply for the company, and immediately next day only you have to sit in front of laptop to give interview. That is the stuff you have to maintain yourself, guys. That is IT world, including me. I never believe my company today itself also. Okay, so always keep on learning. What you learned, improve that. What you are speaking, improve that. That all is also important. Just learning 4 5 topics and getting the offer, not matters any for anyone. Okay, so don't take it as a class. You should know all this. Okay, hard work pays to us, na everything. Venkat, till now, I mean, this is your 16th batch, okay? Till 15th batches, I am seeing nobody came back. Can you give me work support? With that word, nobody came back till now. I'm happy to say this actually. I initially I felt little bit worried like how these people will work. One person also didn't touch me. Can you support me for real-time projects? Everyone cracked the interview by themselves. Everyone is working by themselves. No support persons only. If they want support, they will come to me first. I'm already trainer, right? They can pay for me extra and they can come. But nobody look. They said just I got offer. Some people that also not informed. Some people informed. That's it. No need of any support. I'll give guarantee for that. Really, as a trainer, if my students are going for support means then my training quality is not good. If they're going for proxy means my training quality is not good. This too not happened by God grace for me. because I'm not trainer in Raj Cloud technology, guys. Before also I gave trainings pure Snowflake only. From the Snowflake when the lockdown time came into the market, when opportunity started, before that day onwards I am there in the market. I know how the Snowflake grown from zero to high level. This many opportunities you are seeing, right? Without opportunities also I worked, I mean, when I worked initial days, one company, two companies, other companies don't know Snowflake term only. Like that day onwards I'm there in the market. I know how the Snowflake improved itself and got more opportunities. That all happened in front of my eyes only. That is the reason I'm a bit confident about my stuff. Okay, not more than that. I didn't came middle of the Snowflake from starting on the sun. 2019 like that I'm no Snowflake. I suggested so many people at that time learn Snowflake to my colleagues also. Nobody took serious. No, they're saying you went with a good path. So that days onwards I'm traveling, right? You will get benefits from my course. Go with the reviews. One review also we didn't write with, that's not paid reviews. Everything is student reviews only. If you have any doubt, you can ask that the review is genuine or not. I will ask my student to you reply there. That much guts we have because everything is genuine reviews. So I should not say my course is good. Students have to say, na. I cannot say talk more than this. Yeah, obviously working full time, no problem because I don't know HP your name is there. I don't know your name, but generally working full time working is there. I will agree. Saturday Sunday I'm not taking classes, right? Mainly for working people only I'm giving this flexibility, or else I can take class on Saturday. I can wrap up my classes very fastly. Generally I'm saying this month November December we don't have any festivals. Only December 25th Christmas is there. That's it. So no festivals, no holidays also for you. If more holidays come in October, I got Diwali, Dasra holidays. So 1 or 2 Saturdays I took for my old batch because of more holidays. Generally, I'm saying your 2 months, I won't take any Saturday, Sunday class. If you plan properly, Saturday, Sunday completely you can complete 5 classes course, and Monday you can come freshly. Okay, so you can decide. You can manage this guys. Simple. Okay. Okay, I am giving hand over to Karthik from here. Please, some question is there. Last question. Venkat, everything Karthik will update to you. Timing, course, whatever you have admin related questions, all Karthik will take care. Karthik, can you please?
Yes, I sure. Thank you so much. Let me share my screen 1 second. Hello, this is Karthik again from Ras Cloud Technologies. Yes, I'll help you with the batch timings and everything. No need to worry about that. Okay. Yeah. Let me just show you some reviews about the program first of all. You can just search for Ras Cloud Technologies or Ras Informatica in Google. You can find out this page here. Like you can see like 1454 Google reviews are there, and the average is like 4.9 out of 5 stars. Okay. If you just go to the reviews here, you can see the newest. Okay. You can see the reviews here. This is Sai Sri reviews. Yes, this is also from Snowflake. This is how like we have Sai Sri reviews here. Okay, if you can see the 10 reviews, out of 10, there will be like a 4 to 5 Sai Sri reviews will be there here. You can check out all the reviews here. And these are our previous batch students who got completed their trainings like last 1 month back, 2 months back. Okay, you can see here. You can see here about Sai Sri. Okay, this is about Snowflake writing the same Sai Sri review here. Okay, I'll just show you some more things as well here. Okay, so this is the batch like which we completed recently on like last month, like we have taken the reviews from here, like 9th of October. You can see the reviews. Okay, so how they have posted in the group. This is a group actually. So where we casually like take the trainings and like we'll be posting about the session starting dates and everything. Okay, and the material and video uploaded things. Okay, this is a WhatsApp group actually. In the same WhatsApp group, like we have asked the reviews. Okay, you can see how the people felt about the training. See, this is after completion of 39 classes. You can see here 39 session video and material is uploaded in the website. That means on 8th, like we have done 39 session. This is the 40th session. Okay, after completion of 40 sessions, we have taken the reviews from students. You can check out the things here, how they have given the reviews and everything. Okay, and here few more. You can see the Abhishek review here. You can see this and you can see the data as well. So when they have given the review also. Okay, and I'll show you some more things as well now. Just give me a moment. And this is the yeah, today itself, like we have just posted this. Okay, so you can see the one latest review just received at I think 10 minutes back. Okay, you can see the review here. Okay, so this is how our training will be. So if you are really like looking for something like to change your job or to change your domain, okay, to get into the cloud technology, okay, this is the perfect course for you. This is the perfect course for you. And so like if you can just give your efforts consistently, then definitely like you can make something here. You can easily switch your jobs. There is a possibility to get 100% hike as well. You can see here our students like who have like 3 years of experience, 4 years of experience, okay, and they got like 12 LPA, 13 LPA. The current their packages are like 5 LPA, 6 LPA packages. They got like 12 LPAs as well. And the people who have 15 plus years of experience also, you can see the review here. Okay, there is a candidate. I'll just show you the review. Okay, so he's having like around 15 plus years of experience. Okay, he shown like 3 years of experience, sorry, 4 years of experience, relevant experience on Snowflake, and he got a 30% of hike as well. Okay, that is how it will be. Yes, this is the one. Okay, you can see here he's from batch 9. Okay, he got job on the Snowflake. His total experience is 15 years and the current package is 30 LPA and he got 37. Okay, so like that it will be. You can see here, this is also one more review from Snowflake itself. This is one more from the Snowflake. Okay, so if you just like be consistent here, just give your efforts for the next 2 months, then definitely like you can get job very easily. Right now the market is very good for the Snowflake DBT and ADF combination. No need to worry about that. Okay, yeah. So let me show you about the session timings and everything. And these are the batches we have: the morning 8 a.m. batch and the evening 6:30 p.m. batch. We have two batches in a day, morning and evening. And the morning batch timings are 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. IST, and the evening batch timings are 6:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. IST. Okay, whatever the content that we are going to teach you here in the morning batch or in the evening batch, each and every class we are going to record and we are going to upload here in the website, as I have shown you in the starting of the session. In that way, like you can access the recordings and material as well. So you can see here, these are the job roles available right now. These are the job roles, okay, and the experiences, like how the packages they are offering. These are the, like, see, this is a just average package. Okay, even a guy who is having a 2 years experience, he can get like more than 10 LPA as well. Okay, so if someone is who is having like a 5 years of experience or 6 years of experience, okay, they can get like 20 to 40 LPA as well. It completely depends on your current package as well, and like how you are cracking the opportunities. If you go for the counter offers, definitely like you can go for 100% hike as well. You have a possibility for that too. And you can see these are the job roles. These are the job roles that you can apply for, and these are the upcoming demanded jobs right now in the market. Okay, yes. And the next session will be like we'll be posting in the group like when the next class is. Okay, and so hope everyone is added to the WhatsApp group already. If you haven't added yet, please ping us personally on this number 8105296858. This is our calling and WhatsApp numbers as well. Okay, you can get the complete updates here. And as I said, there is some special offer available, right? There is some special offer available for you, right? Yes, I'll show you about that. Yeah, in the home screen, you can see this. You can see this. There is a flat 10% discount is available right now. So if you can join today, you're going to get this 10% discount. Actually, the course price is 15,000 rupees. Sorry, 14,999 rupees will be your course price. If you enroll today, you are going to get this 10% discount now. Okay. So after discount, you can just click on here. Okay. See, if you want to enroll from the website directly, you can just go to the website here. You can just click on pay and enroll now. You can just click on pay and enroll now, and this is the morning batch. Okay, as this is a public session, we have given you in the evening, but this batch timings are in the morning. Okay, this batch timings is morning 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. IST. After 10% discount, the course price will be 13,499 rupees only for you. Okay, if you pay and enroll today, your course price will be just 13,499 rupees only. And there are two payment modes are available here for you. One is the international credit and debit cards, and another one is Indian credit or debit cards. If you're using like any bank accounts like other than India, then you can choose for this. Or if you're using any bank accounts belongs to India, then you can just like opt for this, and you can just click on pay and enroll now. You will be redirected to the payment page where we will accept the payments for we will accept all the payment modes like UPI, bank transfer, net banking, credit card, debit card, PayPal, and the Remitly. Okay, so tap send, like what are the like international payment modes are also there. We will accept all these payment modes. Okay, no need to worry about that. If you still have any questions, please unmute yourself and you can ask me.
Hello.
Yes, please. Yeah.
Yeah, this is Pratiksha. So I have already enrolled in this course in last month, but
Hmm.
I have joined this new batch because I need a morning one. So
No worries, Pratiksha. You just like contact me personally. My team will help you to change the access and everything. They'll help you for that.
yeah, yeah.
And there is an update from my team, and actually they have already changed your access to.
Yes, yeah, yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, hi Garthi.
Still any other questions? Yes, please.
So next session can we take as a morning because it is very
Yes, please.
difficult
Like
for
yeah,
me to as I am working.
exactly.
So yeah,
Uh,
so it is very difficult to parallelly handle both things.
Yeah. Sure. From next session onwards, we'll have morning 8 o'clock only.
Yeah. Thank you, Sesri.
Thank you.
still any questions from anyone, please?
So one more thing, like this whole course will get completed till December, right? Or it can be get extended.
No, please see, this is just like November 6th today, right? So mostly we will complete the batch by December last week, or if there is any one or two classes left, then we'll be taking here in the Jan first week. Okay. See now, January is a completely hiring season. Okay. As we everyone know that January is completely hiring season. We will try to complete before December last week itself. Okay. And if you want, like we can compensate you on Saturdays and Sundays as well. If you're okay, the batch people are completely okay with that, we can go ahead with that too. No need to worry about that. So
Okay.
by January first week itself, like everyone in the batch should be able to take the interviews. This is
Okay.
what our primary goal right now. Okay, so you just like be ready for the same and be prepared for the same as well. So from January first week, everyone should update your resume. Okay, we'll provide the resume before December last week itself. Okay, just get ready by January first week, and we just like wanted to hear your success story at least like before Pongal, or if the third week or fourth week of January also, that is fine. We are just like expecting the same from everyone. Okay.
So yeah, hi Karthi. So nowadays
Yes,
most
yes.
of the company asking for immediate joiner. So if we have already working, how can I manage these things?
Sai Sri, can you please take up that, or should I answer that?
Yeah, sorry. Can you repeat the question if you don't mind?
Actually, what Piyush asking is like many companies are asking for immediate joiners, right? But right now, like we need to like just serve like 2 months or 3 months notice period. Like how to manage these things, like he's asking.
That, yeah, obviously this issue will be not 2 months, 90 days notice period also we have in our market. We have to play some tricks for here. First, we have to get one offer by saying we are on the bench like that, or we are already resigned like that. We have to get one offer, one or two offers. Based on that, we can resign, and parallelly we will go with the different offers also. So like that, finally, which offer is benefit for us, we will join.
No.
You have.
Actually, I tried before. But they asking for like send me the email.
It's email screenshot,
Yeah.
resignation screenshot. That
Yeah.
is also one trick we have. If you are a company, someone will resign, right? If you get the screenshot from them, you can edit your name and ID and you can share with them. I faced all this. That we can do.
Okay, later on we discuss on this.
Yeah. So many ways we have to go with this approach. Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Sai Sri, so we are started with Snowflake and then DBT. So can't we check on DBT first and then Snowflake, or is it
No, not possible because Snowflake knowledge is important before going to with the DBT because DBT is not storage layer, not compute layer, just the transformations only. We are complete 50%, more than 50%. Again, Snowflake will involve for the DBT process.
Mhm.
If you don't know Snowflake, if you go DBT, that's like no use in the
Okay.
market.
Yeah. Because most of the companies are asking for DBT and I don't have much experience, so that's why
Okay. What you can do means you can check with our team, admin team. You can complete your parallel. You can join everyday regular classes, but recording sessions you can take batch. That Karthik can explain you much, but you can have to do that adjustment before our course completing. You can shift to DBT if you know Snowflake. You don't know Snowflake means no use again.
Okay. I have already worked for Snowflake, but not all the concepts are cleared, like streams, tasks, those are I haven't.
Then that's minimum that knowledge you have, right? You
Mhm.
can try with my recordings. That's not bad. Not
Okay.
bad.
Still any questions from anyone? Let me know. Like if there is no questions, we can wind up the session. If you haven't shared your name and WhatsApp number yet, you can just drop the name and WhatsApp number now. Enrolled people, no need to worry about that. Like you'll get the recording material and session link by tomorrow morning. Okay. Tomorrow morning we'll be posting in our group. Like we have created the group, right? So if you haven't added to the group yet, please contact me personally on this number 8105296858. We will add you to the group. If you have already paid for the batch, you'll be added to the group. Don't worry about it. And the other people, so if you haven't enrolled yet, you can plan for your enrollment today and you can utilize this weekend as well. Okay. So we have a weekend too. So this Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, like you can complete your Oracle SQL classes as well. And the people who already completed your Oracle SQL classes, you can just go through the like sessions that what we have added to you. We have added already 10 classes to you, right? So this is the first session will be replaced there. So second session will be replaced there. And the first session will be also replaced there. No need to worry about that. Okay. Yeah. Sorry, this is the first session. I'll add this first session as well. Okay. And the introduction classes, everything you can see in the YouTube as well. So everything like we'll just like add you here. Don't worry. And the people who haven't enrolled yet, so hope today's session like given you the more clarity. Still, if you have any questions, you can unmute yourself and you can ask us here, or else you can contact me personally on this number. We will try to help you. Okay.
So from tomorrow there will be morning or evening class.
We'll post in the group, Pratiksha. Don't worry
Okay.
about it. Okay. So like will be posted today night or tomorrow morning. I'll post you in the group. Don't worry. Mostly today night, like after the session, like after half an hour, you'll get the update. You can just check it out. Okay.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Done. Still any questions from anyone, please? Done. So thank you all. Thank you all for joining session today. Have a great day. Thank you. Thank you, Sai Sri Garu.
Thank you.